How are wrongful death settlements paid out in California? Settlement calculations are complex and involve a mix of economic and non-economic damages. While there is no exact formula, lawyers and insurers often look at similar past cases as a reference point. They also consider the injury's specifics, the victim's personal circumstances, and insurance policy limits. For instance, an individual who suffers a permanent injury, such as a spinal cord injury that results in paralysis, will likely receive a higher settlement amount than someone who sustains a temporary injury like whiplash. This is because the impact of a permanent injury is long-lasting and affects the victim's daily life indefinitely. Calculating and distributing wrongful death settlements can be a complex and emotional process. It is important to have a thorough understanding of how these settlements are determined and divided to ensure fair compensation for all parties involved. Age and health. The age and health of the deceased at the time of death are considered to estimate lost future earnings. Earning potential. This includes current salary and future earning prospects, crucial in determining the compensation amount. Dependents' financial needs. The settlement calculation takes into account the financial needs and dependency of the family members left behind. The at-fault party for the victim's death is usually held liable to pay for damages. However, in some cases where the person responsible is deceased or cannot afford to pay, insurance companies may cover the costs. Lump sum versus structured settlements. When recipients of wrongful death settlements are deciding between a lump sum and structured settlements, several factors come into play. Lump sum payment. Advantages. Immediate access to the entire settlement amount, useful for large, urgent expenses like debts or medical bills. Disadvantages. Require self-management of funds, risk of mismanagement, or rapid depletion. Structured settlements. Advantages. Provides a steady stream of income over a period, aiding in long-term financial planning and security. Disadvantages. Less flexibility in accessing large sums of money immediately. Both options have their merits and challenges. The choice depends on individual circumstances, including immediate financial needs, ability to manage large sums of money, and long-term financial security considerations. Have more questions about payouts for wrongful death? Call our wrongful death attorneys in California for a free consultation today. RTM Law Firm, your trusted injury advocates.